Would you believe you can make your own grout with sand and Aleene's Tacky Glue? It's the perfect way to decorate a frame to display your favorite beach scene. Here's what you'll need: Aleene's 16-ounce Tacky Glue, a 12 by 14-inch unfinished wooden frame, large craft sticks, seashells, white sand, and a 1 cup and a 1/2 cup measuring cup. To make the grout, measure 1 cup of sand, then add 1/2 cup of Aleene's Tacky Glue. Mix the glue into the sand by stirring and folding the two together. It will take a few minutes to completely combine them into a very thick grout. Now spread a thin layer of Aleene's Tacky Glue to the top of the frame a little at a time to create a tacky surface for the grout to adhere to. Apply a thick layer of grout over the glue, and then you're ready to press the seashells into the grout. Be sure that the grout is coming up over the edges of the seashells in order to hold them in place. Continue to spread the glue on the frame, adding the grout to the glue and pressing the seashells into the grout to completely cover the top of the frame. If the grout becomes too dry, you can mix in a few drops of water to keep it moist. When you've completely covered the frame, let it dry overnight and it's done. You can even cover a clay pot with Aleene's Tacky Glue grout to match the frame for a darling home decor accent you'll be proud to display anywhere.